This is video number 9 in the series of profit and loss, a very important topic for your examination. From video number 1 to video number 7, we talked about the analysis and the tips and the techniques and the shortcuts to solve profit and loss questions. In video number 8, I tried to solve 5 problems by taking the help of option elimination, and in this video I would be solving 5 problems जहाँ पे हमारे को equations बनाने की जरूरत पड़ सकती है. So let us get started and try to solve our very first problem of this video lesson. Pause this video, try to solve this on your own. This question says that the profit earned after selling an article for rupees 1754 is same as loss incurred after selling the same article for this price. So there are 2 selling prices that are given to you, and in the situation number 1 you're having profit, and in the second situation you're having loss. So what I'm going to do is, first I'm going to form the equation. So this is the selling price. So selling price will have to be equal to cost price plus profit, isn't it? That's the first situation. And what is going to happen in the second situation? This is 1492. If you sell it at 1492, you're going to be having the loss, and the problem says that the profit that you're making in the first situation and the loss that you're incurring in the second situation, both of them are the same. So what I'm going to do is, I'll take these two as same value, isn't it? This is x and x. So I have got 2 variables and 2 equations. If I add these two, what is that I'm going to be getting? So this is going to be 2 times of cost price. 2 times of cost price would be, this is 6, 4, and then this is what you're going to have. So what is going to be the value of cost price? The value of cost price will be 3246 divided by 2. That comes out as 1623 rupees. Isn't it a very simple problem? And that is what they are asking you to find out. So what did I say is, if you would be able to form 2 equations, one where you are having the profit, the second where you are having the loss, and as per the problem, the amount of profit and amount of loss, these two are equal. So we have got 2 equations, 2 variables. We simplify, we will get the value, isn't it? Now let us read the second problem. So the second problem says that the profit earned by selling an article for rupees 900. So you have been given the selling price, and this profit is double the loss incurred when the same article is sold for 450. No longer is this is same like the previous problem. Now it says that the profit incurred in the first case is double the loss incurred in the second case, right? So again we will have to form 2 equations. In the first one, the selling price, which is 900, is going to be cost price plus profit, and in the second situation, when you sell it at 450 rupees, you're going to be having the loss, and problem tells us that this profit in the first scenario is going to be 2 times of this loss. So what is that I'm going to do? I'll take loss as x. If I take loss as x, I will have to take profit as what? 2x. Is that okay? Now we have got 2 variables and 2 equations. Now again our problem is simplified, and what is that I am interested in? I am interested in finding out the cost price, because मेरे को निकालना है एक selling price बाद में जब मेरे को 25% profit चाहिए. So how do I find out the cost price? If you add these two, so if you add these two, or probably if you subtract the second equation from the first equation, still your job can be done. So this is negative, and then this is negative, and this is positive. So cost prices are gone. 900 negative 450 is coming out as what? 3x. So what is the value of x? It is 150. You plug in this value of x in any of these equations, and you will be having the value of CP. So I'm gonna plug in the second equation, which is 450 cost price minus x, which is 150. So what do you think is going to be the value of cost price? The value of cost price is going to be 600 rupees. 450 plus 150. So now I know what is my cost price of the article. The situation says that at what price should the article be sold to make 25% profit. Now you understand that profit is always calculated onto the cost price. Now how much is the profit? The profit is 25%. Profit is 25%. 25% of what? 600. If you find out 25% of 600, you will find it out as 150 rupees, isn't it? 25% is 1/4. 1/4 of 600 is coming out as 150. Now what is going to be the selling price then? The selling price would be cost price, which is 600, plus profit, which is 150. We may have to sell it for 750 rupees if we want to make 25% profit. So what did I say is the moment you form these two equations, आपके तो काम सिंप्लीफाई हो जाएंगे. ये जो अलजेब्रा वर्ड बोल रहा है, अगर आप यहाँ से यहाँ तक लिख पाए दो इक्वेशन, आप वहाँ से अपनी कॉस्ट प्राइस निकाल पाए, तो फिर आपके लिए प्रॉब्लम बिल्कुल सिंपल हो गया, isn't it? Now let us solve this problem. It says that the profit earned by selling an article for rupees this is the same kind of problems, isn't it? Now this is 20% more. In problem number 1, profit and loss, both of them were same. In the second problem, profit was 2 times of the loss. In this situation, it says that the profit incurred in the first situation is going to be 20% more than the loss, right? So again I'm going to form the equation. It says that 1060 में बेचा तो कुछ तो हुआ प्रॉफिट, और अगर 950 में बेचा तो कुछ तो होगा लॉस. And it also says that this profit is 20% more than the loss. So it is going to be what? 1.20 times of loss. Do you understand this thing? अब ये by this time आपने 10-12 वीडियो देख ली परसेंटेज की, 8 वीडियोस के लगभग आपने देख लिए प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस के. तो आपको अब ये लिखना समझ में आना चाहिए कि अगर प्रॉफिट 20% ज़्यादा है लॉस से, तो प्रॉफिट कैन बी रिटन एज 1.20 टाइम्स ऑफ लॉस. ओके, देन व्हाट इफ आई टेक लॉस एज x? व्हाट इफ आई टेक लॉस एज x? कैन आई राइट प्रॉफिट एज 1.20 टाइम्स ऑफ दिस लॉस? इजंट इट? नाउ अगेन माई जॉब इज सिंप्लीफाइड. अब इसके बाद में आप निकाल सकते हो जो आपको निकालने की जरूरत है. तो व्हाट इज दैट आई एम गोना डू? आई एम गोना सब्सट्रैक्ट द सेकंड equation from the first equation, and if I do so, cost prices are gone. From this to this I'm going to be having 110, and this is going to be 1.20x plus x is 2.20x. So can we find out the value of x? This is 110 upon 2.2. So the value of x comes out as 50 rupees. Now the value of x has come out 50 rupees. किसी भी इक्वेशन में प्लग इन कर दोगे, आपको क्या निकल जाएगा? आपको तो यहाँ पे कॉस्ट प्राइस निकल जाएगा. What is going to be the cost price? The value of cost price is equal to from the second equation. So cost price comes out as 1000 rupees, right? This is 950 is equal to cost price minus x. The value of x is 50. 50 goes out to this side. It becomes 950 plus 50. The value of cost price comes out as 1000 rupees. अब प्रॉब्लम क्या बोलता है भाई, आप इसको कितने का बेचना चाहते हो? 20% प्रॉफिट पे. 20% प्रॉफिट आप किसका निकालोगे? कॉस्ट प्राइस का. कॉस्ट प्राइस आपने कितना निकाला? 1000 रुपीज. व्हाट इज 20% ऑफ 1000 रुपीज? 20% ऑफ 1000 इज 200 रुपीज. आप बेचोगे कितने का? सेलिंग प्राइस इज गोइंग टू बी CP प्लस प्रॉफिट, and that value is 1000 plus 200. अच्छा, एग्जाम पे तो ये सब नहीं लिखोगे ना आप. एग्जाम पे तो आप मेंटल कैलकुलेशन करोगे, बहुत सारे स्टेप्स आप अपने बचाओगे, isn't it? So this is what is the answer. At what price? Oh, so none of them is the answer. What is your answer? It is going to be 1200. Okay. Now let us try to solve the next problem out here. Now this one is really good. This one is really good. और ये ना हर बार SSC के CGL में आते रहता है, और कभी कभी तो मैंने कैट में आते हुए देखा इस चीज़ को. तो आप ना यू हैव गॉट टू बी वेरी माइंडफुल. इट सेज दैट बाय सेलिंग 12 टॉफीज फॉर अ रुपी अ मैन इज लूजिंग 20%. यानी 1 रुपये के 12 बेचा तो उसको 20% का नुकसान हो गया. how many for a rupee he should be selling so that he gains 20% profit. अब आप ऐसे देख लो ना, what is going to be selling price of one toffee? Selling price of one toffee will be what? These many rupees. Is that okay with you? भाई 1 रुपए के 12 बेचा, तो एक कितने का बेचा? 1/12 का बेचा. This person is having a loss of 20%. So this selling price is something which is cost price minus loss. How I am going to be writing? 20% तो चला गया, तो बचा कितना? तो 80%. 80% of what? 80% of CP. So 80% of CP is equal to this value. 80% can be written as what? 4/5 of CP is equal to 1/12. So what is the value of CP? 5/48 rupees. This is going to be CP of one toffee. And in this situation, it is being said that now you sell it at 20% profit. So we will have to make 20% profit. So what is going to be the selling price if we sell it at 20% profit? So ध्यान से देखो, I will write this as 120 upon 100 times of CP. Now you know why am I doing it. 6/5 times of CP. So 6/5 times of CP is given to you. So 6/5 into 5/48, 5 is gone, this is 1/8. So selling price of one toffee should be 1/8 rupees, is it not? And if selling price of one toffee should be 1/8 rupees, what is going to be? So if you still do not understand, I'll say this. One toffee is being sold for rupees 1/8. So in 1 rupee, how many toffees I should be selling? I should be selling 8 toffees. Problem simplified हो गया ना भाई? क्या आंसर है यहाँ पे? What is the answer? It is 8%. I hope that you understand this. In the second problem, मैंने इसको थोड़ी जल्दी करूँगा. ये समझ के देखना आपकी कैसे ये फटाफट से हो रहा है. So this is how I am going to be writing. मैं एग्जामिनेशन में कौन कौन से स्टेप लिखूंगा मैं वो यहाँ पे इस प्रॉब्लम पे लगा रहा हूँ, assuming that आपको अब सब कुछ समझ में आ चुका है. तो I'll say this. By selling 45 lemons for rupees 40, a man is losing 20%. तो मैं क्या लिखूंगा भाई, एक का जो सेलिंग प्राइस बना ना वो कितना बना? 40 upon 45, which is 8/9. This is the selling price of one lemon, and since you're losing 20%, so it is going to be, this value is going to be 80% of the cost price. 80% of the cost price is written as 4/5 of CP. So what is going to be the value of CP? 8/9 into 5/4, this is 2. The selling price of one lemon comes out as 10/9 rupees. And then problem says भाई आप इसको 20% प्रॉफिट में बेचो. अगर 20% प्रॉफिट में बेचा तो what is going to be the selling price of one lemon? Selling price of one lemon is going to be 120/100 CP. 120/100 CP is this value. Now you know what is the value of CP? 6/5 into 10/9. This is 2 and this is 3 and 4/3 rupees. मैं एक टॉफी कितने का बेचूंगा? 4/3 रुपीज़ का बेचूंगा. अब यहाँ पे क्या बोल रहा है कि आप 24 रुपीज़ में कितने टॉफी बेचोगे? ओके, कितने लेमन बेचोगे, टॉफी नहीं. सो 4/3 रुपीज़ में आपने बेचा एक लेमन, तो 1 रुपीज़ में कितना लेमन बेचा? 3/4. आपने 24 रुपीज़ में कितना बेचा? सो दिस इज गोइंग टू बी 3/4 ऑफ 24, and which is coming out as 18. So you will have to sell 18 lemons for 24 rupees if you want to make 20% profit. Do you understand this thing? This is what you're supposed to write in the examination. Maybe ये भी calculation नहीं लिखना चाहिए था. यहाँ पे तो ये आपको दिया हुआ है सेलिंग प्राइस 4/3 और इसको ऑपोजिट साइड में जाएगा ये 3/4 ऑफ 24, निकाल दो, आपका आंसर आ गया. नाउ let us try to solve the last problem of this series, or probably it is over. So you understand that sometimes you may have to form equations. Be mindful, try to simplify your steps, and you would be able to get the answer. Now in the next video, this is where I'm going to raise the bar. 1 से लेकर 9 तक आपने थ्योरी सीख लिया, आपने शॉर्टकट लगा लिया, आपने बहुत सारे प्रॉब्लम्स भी लगा लिया। अगर आप अगले 2 वीडियोस में, विच इज़ वीडियो नंबर 10 एंड वीडियो नंबर 11 के, अगर 5 से 10 प्रॉब्लम लगा पाए जो कि रियल कैट एग्जामिनेशन में पूछा गया है, तो मैं समझूंगा कि अब तक जो हमने करा है वो सारा का सारा फ्रूटफुल हो जाएगा, राइट। सो मेरा तो बड़ा होप है आपसे कि आप ये सारे के सारे क्वेश्चन जो अगली वीडियो में है वो सारे के सारे लगा पाओगे, राइट। So I'm gonna see you there. Till then, bye bye and take care, and thank you very much for watching this.